Let's settle this once and for all. How many push-ups does it take to actually build muscle? 10, 100, a gazillion. Most people either peck away at a few push-ups and wonder why they're still weak, or they go full maniac, cranking out hundreds a day like headless chickens, and still wonder why nothing changes. Here's the cold hard truth from your favorite chicken-headed coach. It's not about doing more. It's about doing enough done right. Push-ups aren't just random moves to rack up numbers. Each push-up is a signal to your body saying, hey, we've got work to do. Here, let's grow. When you push yourself up off the floor, you're working your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. Tiny little muscle fibers tear in. That's exactly what you want. Because after the damage, your body swoops in, repairs the mess, and builds back stronger. That's called gains, or in my case, chicken gains. But here's where most folks mess up. They either don't do enough to trigger growth, or they hammer away with sloppy form, leaving them sore, tired, and stuck in the same old body. So here's the real deal. First, find your current limit. How many perfect push-ups can you crank out in one go? Perfect means no sagging, no bouncing, no flapping around like you're in a poultry panic. Once you know your clean max, here's your game plan. If your max is under 20 push-ups, aim for around 50 per day, broken into small sets. If you can do 20 to 40 push-ups, go for 75 to 100 daily. If you're over 40 reps, aim for 120 push-ups a day, spread across multiple sets. Simple, yes. Easy, nope. But effective, absolutely. And remember, you've got to level up over time. Each week, either add a few more reps, reduce your rest time between sets, or try tougher variations. That's called progressive overload. It's the secret sauce behind every strong chicken you've ever met. Now, let's talk about form, because bad push-ups are the fastest way to stay weak forever. Here's your quick Cluck and Thrive push-up checklist. Keep your core tight like you're guarding your last protein bar. Keep your body straight from head to tail, feather no sagging, hands just wider than your shoulders, elbows tucked at about 45 degrees. Good form isn't optional, it's mandatory if you want to see results. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to spice things up. Here are your next level moves. Decline push-ups to roast your upper chest. Diamond push-ups to torch your triceps. Explosive clap push-ups to build power faster than a chicken on energy drinks. But hey, don't get greedy with your gains. More push-ups doesn't always mean more progress. Overtraining turns strong muscles into sore, useless noodles. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you're grinding 24/7. So make sure you take at least 1 or 2 days off per week for full recovery. Stretch, walk, flap your wings a little, whatever keeps you moving. Remind, don't obsess over numbers. Focus on clean form, steady progress, and smart recovery. Push-ups work if you work smart, and remember, it's not about pecking at random workouts. It's about building real strength, one solid push-up at a time. Stay strong, stay consistent, and of course, cluck and thrive.